Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how can your students see your homework in Classkick and how can you view their works. So I will be dividing this video into two parts, the students preview and your screen or your preview. So if you did not watch the video of creating assignments and setting up your accounts, please refer to the previous videos of the Classkick playlist. Now, let's go and let's copy this link and give it to a student. So let's imagine that I'm a teacher and at the same time I created another page as a student. So the one to the right is the teacher, the one to the left is the student. So I will call it a trial. So let's see together how the student will be seeing the homework. So now, I received the exit ticket already from my teacher. And when I have received it, I should solve it. So how can I solve it? I have choices, whether I can choose the text, whether I can choose the pen mode, whether I can choose the highlighter. So for the pen, you are having one step equation, divide by 2, divide by 2. You are having x is equal to, and you need to check your solution by substitution. If it is equal to 4 or not, so 4 is equal to 4, and I can see that I'm done from my homework. Whenever I'm done, I will raise my hand, but I have two types, whether please check or please help. If I'm done and I don't need any help, then I will be raising please check. Now, let's go to the teacher's preview. Now, what the teacher will see? The teacher will see that the student is solving and she is or he is raising their hands. So with this, you can go to their page, and if it is right solution, you can give them full mark and directly the hand will be lowered automatically. Now, let's go back to the student's preview. What if I lowered my hand and I have deleted my solution? This one, I want to see you. I want you to see that what if you are not doing well? What if you need help? What if you are wondering what is the operation? It's like, miss, I don't know what is the operation. I don't know, help me. So how can you do this? You can raise please help, or you can write on the chat here. So on the other screen of the teacher now can see that one of the students are raising the yellow hand. So she will be going and see that she will be having question mark. So I prefer that the students will write a text for the teacher and to tell her what is exactly not clear for them. So you can help your teacher to follow up with you. With this, I put both the students' preview, the teacher's preview. You can correct everything and you can help your students. Now, let me give the link again to other student. So I will take again the link, open a new page, and I will be calling it trial 2. So trial 2 now is on the page and they are solving, right? So now let's see the page of the trial 2. If student trial 1 raise their yellow hand, pay attention, they have to raise the yellow hand. So this is the screen of a trial 1. Let's see the screen of a trial 2. So trial 2 can go to the page of trial 1 to help them. So he cannot see the name. This is the beauty. They can help each others without knowing the names of each other. So it will not be embarrassing for them. So here they can go. So now trial 2 is helping trial 1. For example, they can tell us or tell them that it is multiplication, and whatever they can do is the opposite, which is division, and it is 2. With this they will be helping them. Now let's go to the screen of a trial 1. You can see that someone is solving for them. With this, I have mixed the students preview, the teacher preview, and how students will be helping each other inside Classkick itself. Thank you so much. Wait for the other videos of Classkick.